Hello everyone and welcome to EduTap. So guys, first of all, I hope all of you are safe, all of you are well at your homes and you're following the lockdown. So guys, we would like to take this opportunity to inform you that yes, we have successfully finished batch 1 and batch 2 for NABARD phase 2 descriptive English, and yes, I'll take this platform to announce that we are launching batch 3 for descriptive English for NABARD phase 2 today. So guys, this is a golden opportunity for all the aspirants, for all the students who are preparing for this exam, because you still have time at your hands and you can start preparing for your paper. Now guys, this paper is very, very important. Reason being, you very well know there are two papers. One is for your subject for ARD and ESI, and other is your descriptive English. So 100 marks for this paper, and this paper is going to take you to places, guys. This is going to help you in accumulating very good score in this exam. So guys, in this course, we are offering you some very important key factors which are very important in this preparation of this exam. So guys, the first and the most important thing that we are offering in this course, test 2 complete mock tests of the scenario that will be thrown at you in the exam. So you will get 2 mock tests to write your answers, and then you'll send your answers to us and with evaluation. Now what's going to happen, you're going to write your answers and you'll send your answers to us via email, and we will evaluate those answers for you and we will revert you with the feedback. We will give your feedback, personalized feedback over the call to you, and that feedback is very important, because without a feedback, without assessment, a student does not know the areas where he can improve or where he needs to work upon. So this is very crucial. So we are providing you 2 full-length mock tests. So the first test will be on 11th of May, which is next Monday, and you will get 2 days to write your answers and send them to us on this email, hello@edutap.co.in, and we will evaluate your copies and we will call you back with your feedback. And the second test will be conducted on 18th of May, and you'll again have 2 days to write your answers and send them to us via email, and we will evaluate your copies and we will revert you with the feedback. So the feedback and the evaluation, the assessment is very important here, guys. So these 2 mock tests with evaluation, with personalized feedback, that is going to help you a lot. It is going to help you understand the areas you need to work upon. And not just that, along with these 2 mock tests, we are also offering you, some very key important material. First is the fodder material. Unless you have the data, the information that you need to use while drafting your answers in this paper, right, you won't get to places. You won't get to that mark that you need to crack this paper. So you need to understand that you need to have that fodder material. So we have compiled the fodder material for all the important subjects, all the important topics of ARD and ASI, and we are providing that fodder material to you so that you can read up and prepare yourself. Second is video lectures. Now guys, these are value-added video lectures. In these lectures, we have accumulated all the tips and tricks to draft an essay, to draft a letter, and to draft a précis, and how to write your answers in reading comprehension. So there are 10 value-added lectures in which we teach you how to frame your answers. And third is your, again, tentative essay topics. Now these are those important topics that you need to read about and you need to work on, because these are current topics, and these topics are going to help you in understanding what type of questions are being thrown at you in your exams. So guys, there are 4 key elements that we are offering you in this course: 2 full-length mock tests, along with that fodder material for your topics, video lectures to prepare and to learn how to structure your answers, and tentative essay topics. And along with these 2 tests, we are also providing your feedback and your evaluated copies with you. So you need to work and you need to prepare yourself for these answers, and this paper is going to be very, very crucial in this exam, guys. If you score well in this paper, it's half done. Your paper is half cracked. So this is a golden opportunity for students who are preparing for NABARD phase 2. So I would love to take this opportunity and inform you that yes, we are going ahead with batch 3. We have successfully completed batch 1 and batch 2 for the same. Now guys, due to this pandemic, we are also offering some discount to our beloved students. Now guys, we are offering 15% discount for new students who are going to get enrolled for the first time, and we are offering 30% discount for the students who have already enrolled with us. So 15% discount for new students and 30% discount for old students, guys. And again guys, if you have any query, you can always email us at this address, hello@edutab.co.in, or even you can call us on this number 81462 07241. I'll repeat it, 81462 07241. So guys, it's an opportunity of a lifetime, and if you work towards your future, if you prepare well, the job is done. So guys, I wish you all the very best for this paper, and come and avail yourself of this opportunity and let your future be bright again. All right guys, thank you so much. Have a great day and happy learning to you.